Wow, candies on the toilet seat, yummy!
What are you doing? Eating candies off the toilet? That's a big no! Let's toss it all off!
Oh!
Maybe I can do something to stop this from happening again. I'm gonna use a bottle of edible glue. Just pour some drops on the toilet seat. And then, let's wait.
I have a plan.
Did the little mermaid take the bait? Oh no! Her tongue is glued to the toilet seat! The toilet seat lid is about to fall! No! Oops! Oh my! Your tongue!
Oh. My tongue is still here! Gotcha, Mom! Look at these little kitten figures! They're so cute! Now go take a swim, little kitties! Enjoy! Whoa! They turned into real kittens! Maybe it'll turn these into real monsters, too! Off you go!
Be careful what you wish for!
Oh no! I don't like this! Go back in! I gotta flush you down!
Oh no! Water is splashing all over! It's flooding!
King Triton! Please help! Please do something! It won't stop!
Oh, I have an idea! Let's use this cling wrap! There! I'm not done yet! Now, let's pump it down! Oh no! It didn't work! The water's still rising! Another idea! Let's call a friend! It's Super Mario! Let's see! I know! We need the toilet jack-a-plunger! Almost done! Now let's wait and see! It's working!
I'm gonna put these candies on my fingers, and I'm gonna eat them all!
No, you won't, Little Mermaid! I'm gonna vacuum them all up! No more candies for you! From now on, no candies allowed. I'll be watching you! Mom is making sure the Little Mermaid is not having any sweets. No sweets. Is this candy? Ew, soap! The Little Mermaid looks nervous. Okay, nothing suspicious. No candies here.
She didn't find the candies that I hid inside this mini toilet. And the chocolate syrup in the soap dispenser. Yummy!
What a sneaky move, Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid is going fishing in the toilet. It looks like she's caught something big. Whoa, look! It's Pikachu!
Aw, she's cute and hungry. Don't worry, here's some cake for you. Ah! Nom, 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 nom. Huh? You ate the plastic?
Pikachu looks happy! Can you hear that? Someone's knocking! We should hide Pikachu! What's the noise? Huh?
It's just the toilet and me, Mom.
Off you go now. I'm gonna use the toilet. Ah, at last! It's the Pika toilet! Pikachu electrocuted Mom!
Mommy, what happened? Pika, 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 Pika. Oh, bad Pika. Come with me. My tummy hurts.
What should I do? Oh no! She's worse! I know what to do! An operation is going on inside the submarine! Come with me, quick! You're a doctor, right? What's it to you? Not to me, but help the Little Mermaid! Okay, let me see. Not that. Now let's check.
No!
Okay then. The Little Mermaid's voice is so powerful! It stripped off their pants! I think I know what's going on here. Ta-da! A toilet? Now come over here. Let Dr. Toilet check what's wrong with you. It's taking a while. Looks like she's done. Oh, look! There's a mini toilet inside the toilet. Here's your medicine.
Wow! Candy sprinkles! And there's a lollipop, too! Yummy!
Yay! Look! She feels better now. Spin the wheel for the mystery topping. It's the green bacteria. Thick and chunky. Bring out your lollipops, kids, and dip them in. Taste the flavor of the future. Do you like it? And there's more. Guess what? It's long and slimy. Congratulations! Snake jackpot! Ah! Oh no! It's coming! Oh, go away! Shoo!
Run, Shark Boy, run!
The snake is moving fast! It bit him!
What happened?
It's a snake bite? It looks venomous! But don't worry. Let's take the venom out.
Please be okay.
We got it all. You're safe now. But to be sure, let's inject you with the seahorse antibiotics. Oh no, you're running a fever. We need an ambulance. Let's take you to the hospital. Ooh, I gotta pee. Hurry. Huh? What are these? Skibbity toilets? Ah! Oh no! The shell is sucking out Triton's voice! The skibbity toilet is getting out! The TV man will handle this! He knows what to do. Yep, he's thinking. The TV man is flushing each toilet one by one. Ah! It's working! The monsters are banned from the toilets! It's Mommy Mermaid! She did it! Isn't she the best? The Little Mermaid is sitting happily on the toilet throne. Oh no! And now she's stuck. Here's King Triton to the rescue. That toilet is too big for you.
What do I do?
Not a problem. My trusty Trident will take care of it. It's a lifesaver.
But how?
I don't know. It is what it is. And what have you done? Grabbing it from a human? Move. We don't need this under the sea. But humans do. We need a toilet step stool. Hooray! Now she fits!
Rock, paper, scissors, toilet! Yay! I won! I get to eat some candies from the toilet. Yum! I want some too! Wow! Let's see what's inside this mini toilet. Wow! Treasures! Whoa! Cool! There's money too!
What are you guys doing? Look at all this mess! What are you waiting for? Clean it up!
Cleaning is boring. Makes me so sad. Dust allergy.
Maybe I should turn this activity to something fun. Let's cut this box of cereal in half. Let's insert a barbecue stick through and through. We're gonna cut a strip of colored paper and cut some vertical slits. Then put it in place. Secure it with plastic bottle caps on each end. Can you guess what this is? DIY vacuum cleaner! It's recycled. Let's give it a try. Wow, check it out! It cleans very fast. Now your turn. Great job, kids! Anything interesting? Well, look at that! Juicy red mushrooms! Looks tasty! Ripe for the picking! Gonna get some! Got one! Ooh, awesome! Nom 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 nom! How was it? Perfect! Triton shrank! And he fell down the toilet! He's going through the pipes! Whoa! 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 Where am I? Ah! Skeleton! It's so dark in here! What's that? I'm getting really scared now! A creature approaches and grabs the mouse! Who could this be? You look familiar? You're a scavenger fish! Poor thing! Oh, I have some gummies with me! Would you like to have some?
Toast, brother! The best gummies ever!
Hey! I brought a rope to rescue you! Huh? Oh no! I must go! I'm gonna miss you!
Don't forget about me, okay?
My only friend is gone! I won't forget this adventure! Cheer up! No!